This range hood comes with a 3-pronged plug, which is nice if you have an outlet you can plug this into. It's not always the case. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to cut this, open up the wires, and we're going to hardwire this guy. So this power supply, we've actually cut the power to at the power breaker. Whenever dealing with electricity or plugging something in or out, like a big appliance like this, you always want to turn your breaker off. You want to go to your breaker and find which breaker is associated with that power supply. So this one's turned off, so these are not live. However, we always want to be safe, so they're capped. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut off this plug here and then strip the wires. Now that we've removed the cord and stripped the wires so we have them exposed, the next step will be to just match the colors up with the power supply. Again, this is not live, the power shut off. When working with electricals, if you've never done this before especially, it's always recommended that you hire a professional electrician with anything that's major related to electrical work. If you're not comfortable with it, the electrician knows what he's doing. It's always best just to spend that extra money to have an electrician come out and do it for you. Make sure we have a good connection on there. And it's really that easy, just making sure that you match the proper colors. So you can see all the colors are color coordinated. They're capped off. So now we're ready to move to the next step of installing the windshield.